area. In the previous class, we have learnt about perimeter and area of closed figures. Here we shall learn more about perimeter and area. Perimeter of a closed figure is the length of its boundary. To find the perimeter of a polygon, we add the lengths of its sides. For example, to find the perimeter of the given polygon A, B, C, D, E, F, we find AB plus BC plus CD plus DE plus EF plus FA. We also know that the perimeter of a rectangle is equal to twice length plus breadth. Perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into sides. The amount of surface enclosed by a closed curve is called its area. In the figure, the shaded region shows the surface enclosed by the closed curve. So the shaded region is the area of the figure. Area is measured in the square units of length. Area of a square of side 1 centimeter is 1 square centimeter. Area of a square of side 1 meter is 1 square meter. Similarly, area of a square of side 1 kilometer is 1 square kilometer. We can use squared paper to find the area of a plane figure. A 1 centimeter squared paper is shown here. So area of each square is 1 square centimeter. To find the area of a plane figure, we count the number of unit squares enclosed by it. Consider the given shape. It encloses 48 small squares. Since area of each square is 1 square centimeter, so its area is 48 square centimeter. Let us find the area of the rectangles ABCD and PQRS shown here. We see that rectangle ABCD contains 36 small squares. So its area is 36 square centimeter. Also, length and breadth of ABCD are 9 centimeter and 4 centimeter respectively. In the same way, we see that area of rectangle PQRS is 15 square centimeter. Also, length and breadth of PQRS are 5 centimeter and 3 centimeters respectively. What do we conclude? We see that in each case, area of a rectangle is equal to the product of its length and breadth. Here it should be noted that before applying this formula, both the length and breadth are expressed in the same unit. For example, to find the area of a rectangle of length 1 meter and breadth 80 centimeter, either we express 1 meter as centimeter or we express 80 centimeters as meter. Since square is a rectangle whose length and breadth are same, so area of a square is equal to length multiplied by length. Now let us discuss how to find the area of irregular shapes. When the figure whose area is to be estimated does not cover the unit squares completely everywhere, we proceed as below. Count each complete square as 1. If a square is more than half, count it as 1. If a square is exactly half, count it as half. Ignore the squares which are less than half. Now let us find the area of the given shape. It contains 62 complete squares. It contains 6 squares which are more than half. It contains 4 half squares. So area of the figure is equal to 62 plus 6 plus 4 upon 2 square centimeter, which is equal to 70 square centimeters. Now consider the triangle ABC. Can you find its area without counting the unit squares enclosed by it? We see that triangle ABC is half of the rectangle ABCD. Area of rectangle ABCD is equal to 6 into 5, which is equal to 30 square centimeters. So area of triangle ABC is equal to half into 30 square centimeter, which is equal to 15 square centimeters. Now consider the triangle PQR shown here. Can you find its area without counting the unit squares enclosed by it? To find its area, we split the rectangle QRST into rectangles PUQT and PURS. Area of rectangle PUQT is equal to 2 into 8, which is equal to 16 square centimeter. So area of triangle PQU is equal to half into 16, which is equal to 8 square centimeter. Area of rectangle PURS is equal to 4 into 8, which is equal to 32 square centimeter. So area of triangle PUR is equal to half into 32, which is equal to 16 square centimeter. So area of triangle PQR is equal to area of triangle PQU plus area of triangle PUR, which is equal to 8 plus 16 square centimeter, that is 24 square centimeters.